Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video we are going to be modifying my OEM chrome lug nuts. So one thing that always kind of bugged me about the 2020 Ram Rebel wheels was that after they installed it, they went ahead and installed chrome lug nuts. Now those chrome lug nuts, they stick out, they don't look good, they don't really go with the theme of my truck. So what I picked up here is a product called ColorLugs. These are vinyl lug nut covers that slip on over the top of the lug nuts. Now these are $23 compared to my other options are replacing the lug nuts altogether, but if we're looking at OEM, we're upwards over $100. Now I've seen these pop up a few times on the forums and on the Facebook groups, and I've never heard a bad thing about them. People say that, you know, once you have them installed for a while, then you pull them out, they don't slide back on, or they slip off pretty easily. But I've also heard that the customer service from ColorLugs is amazing, and the warranty is great on these things. So I figure for 23 bucks, why not? Let's take a try. If they don't work, they don't work. But honestly, I don't think we're going to have any issues with these bad boys. So basically what you get in this kit is, this is the largest kit they sell. So these are 1 inch deep by 21 to 23 millimeter lug nut covers. So these will fit over the top, and I believe the OEM lug nuts on this is either 21 or 22, so this will fit perfect on the OEM Rebel chrome wheel lug nuts. So also in the kit, you get this little extractor, so this little green tool. Once I open up everything, I'll show you how that works. But that's for when you go ahead and need to do anything with the wheel or need to take the wheel off the truck. You just use this tool to pull off the caps, and then you can get access to the lug nuts. So this is going to slip right over the top of my factory lug nuts, and then boom, you got black lug nuts. So again, $23, not a bad deal. You can get these on Amazon or on their website. I'll leave a link in the description for these things. But let's go ahead and get these opened and see how these apply and how that green tool works. Alright, so let's take a look at what comes in the little kit here. First, you get the instructions. You obviously get the card that tells you what you're buying or what you're installing, but it gets really quick installations on the back of it. So you want to first clean your nuts, and then you want to cover your nuts. So that's what we're going to do. So this is the tool that comes in the kit, and you can see there's little bends here at the end, and the reason those are bent like that is because, let's say the lug nut cover is installed. When you go to install this over the top, those little edges are there to pull over the edge of the cover, and that's how you slide it off. So you'd basically reach down into here, the rubber grip, and then that's how you'd pop these bad boys off. So like I said, the installation is super simple. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just use a microfiber and clean my nuts. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cover the nuts with these little caps. And these things should just slide right on. It might put up a little bit of a fight, but it'll be a nice taut finish. So let's go ahead and get these guys installed. All right, I guess let's get the lug nuts clean first, and then we'll start the installation. Okay, so the first thing I did is went ahead and wiped everything down with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I literally just put it on a microfiber and then just did this on each of my nuts. After that, now you got clean nuts, and the last thing you got to do in order to install these bad boys is just take them, carefully put them on, and there you go. Now you see a little bit of the chrome there, but we got covered lug nuts. I think that is pretty slick. Okay, so let's say you got the lug nut covers installed and you want to go ahead and remove them. You just go ahead and take your little tool like this. Make sure that those edges get around the bottom of the lug nut cap. Pull it off a little bit so then you can get a hold of it. And there you go. Everything pops right off. Then if you want to reinstall after you remove the wheel or whatever you do, just go and pop these bad boys back on. I like it. I think it's a pretty cool look. So I'm going to go ahead and install the rest of them, and then that is literally it. So this project will probably take you minutes. Probably take you longer to open the package than it will to actually install these things. So let's go ahead and finish up this wheel. Okay, so we are done with the wheel, and from way far away you really can't tell that there's covers on there, but if you get up close you could certainly tell. But again, I remind you, $23, and we have black lug nuts. So let's go ahead and get them installed on the rest of the truck, and then we are done. So I got to clean the lug nuts on the rest of them, but I think this is a very tasteful project, and like I said, $23. You're not getting brand new lug nuts, you're getting covers to go over your existing ones, and for what they are, these are pretty sweet, and they get the job done. So I like them a lot. Alright, let's get the rest of them installed. Okay, because of how easy this is, we're going to time how fast my oldest son takes to install these bad boys, and he's actually going to time himself. On your mark, get set, go. Fast, 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 fast. One on, good. Next one. Go, 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 go. I'll hit stop for you. Go ahead. Go, go, go. Tell me when you're done then, okay? That one's all the way on.
Done.
Boom, 50 seconds, less than a minute. Took him less than a minute to install these guys on the truck. All right, like I said, these, hey, don't kick them. These are pretty awesome. They're super simple to install, and he gets a treat now. As a bribery, he gets his Chips Ahoy. All right, so we are completely installed. Got ColorLugs on the front and the back. Like I said, $23. I can't emphasize that enough. They are $23, super cheap upgrade, and look at it, it makes a huge difference on the wheels. I'm starting to think that I should go back and reinstall the TVD wheel vinyls because they'll basically black out the whole wheel and look awesome. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Should I stick with these or should I go back to the chrome lug nuts? One thing I should say is you could get these in black, white, red, yellow. They have a whole host of colors. Tons of different colors, dark greens, light greens, yellows, all over the place. So I will leave a link to these in the description below. By all means, check them out. Pretty cool product. Super simple. Took my 6-year-old 50 seconds to install them on one wheel. Probably took me 20 seconds to clean the wheels. So as far as process, you want to clean your nuts, then you want to cap your nuts. Other than that, now you have black nuts. So with that said, thank you very much for watching another Waterfowler 41 installation video. Again, let me know what you guys think in the description below. Should I keep these or should I go back to the ugly chrome lug nuts on the Rebel? Looking pretty good. All right. Thank you very much for watching.